Hello everybody. I recently developed a tear in my Toro leaf bag. This is on my blower and vacuum. And right here I had developed a hole. And I just thought I'd show you what my quick fix was. I wanted to sew a piece of material, but didn't really want to take too much time doing it. So what I ended up doing was taking the fast way out. I got a piece of heavy shop towel or bath towel, and I just used my hot melt glue gun with some high performance adhesive and just glued a patch right here. So if this fails, or if I have to redo it again, I'll probably glue or sew in a piece of rawhide there, which I think will wear a lot better. This is where the exhaust from the vacuum blows all the debris into here, and depending on how this angle is, it seems to be hitting this spot right here. So I think that will solve my problem and get me back to my spring cleanup. Hey, thanks for watching. How about a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you like the hack.